Hello children, good morning. So we have in last class, today maths class children, in last class we have finished my practice time 7. Today we are going to start my practice time 8 for finding the products. Are you seeing the fractions? So we need to find the product of these fractions. So open your textbooks, page number 141. So let us see first one, 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. Here we need to multiply the two numerators together and two denominators together. So what are the numerators children? 2 into 1, 2 and 3 into 4, 12. So 2 by 12. So in 2 table 12 will come 2 6 times. So 2 ones 6 times 12. So numerator is 1, denominator is 6. So this is the way of reducing the fraction into lowest form. Next 5 by 6 into 1 by 2. What are the numerators? 2 numerators, 5 into 1, 5. 2 denominators, 6 into 2, 12. So 12 is not divisible by 5. You can keep like this. Next, this is the final answer. Next bit, 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So 3 by 12. So in denominator, so 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones, 3 fours, 1 by 4. Next one, 2 by 5 into 2 by 7. Multiply 2 numerators and as well as multiply 2 denominators. 2 2 is 4 by 35. Here also 4 by 7 into 1 by 3. 4 into 1, 4. 2 denominators, 7 into 3, 21. So here see children, 5 by 6 into 3. That means, so here in denominator 6 is there, in numerator 3 is there. So we can do the cancellation. 3 ones, 3 2, 6. So now in numerators, 2 numerators are 5 into 1 by denominators 2 into 1, 2. 5 by 2. Next one. 5 by 8 into 28 by 9. Multiply the two numerators, 28 5 is 140 and two denominators 8 times 72. Now this improper fraction can be made into the mixed fraction by dividing 140 with 72. We'll get remainder 68. Okay, so we can write 1. So just you can write 72 ones now. Quotient as the whole number 1, 68 by 72. But here 68 by 72 also can be reduced into lowest form by dividing numerator and denominator with 4. 68 divided by 4, 72 divided by 4. We'll get how much? 17 by 18. So now we have reduced that 68 by 72 as 17 by 18 by dividing numerator with 4 and denominator with 4. Now the mixed fraction is 117 by 18. So hope we have understood this my practice time 8. Remaining HIJR homework. Next, coming to the next topic, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. So here when product of two numbers is 1, one is the multiplicative inverse of the other. That means suppose one example, take one example. 3 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Are you seeing 2 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? Reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse. Understood? So 3 by 2 into multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2 is how much? 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 2? 2 by 3. So now by doing cancellations, we will get 3 3 cancel like this. Numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. Opposite numerator. Numerator, opposite denominator. Numerator, opposite denominator. Get cancelled. 3 3 get cancelled. 2 2 get cancelled. We will get 1. That only they are saying when product of two numbers is 1. So this one is multiplicative inverse of the other. We can also say 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 2. Understood children? So let us do the problems on multiplicative inverse. Okay. Are you seeing my practice time 9, page number 142? Write the reciprocals of the following fractions in the boxes provided. So see here 2 by 3 can be written as 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 6 by 7, yeah, 7 by 6. Reciprocal of 3 by 5, 5 by 3. Reciprocal of 9 by 12, 12 by 9. Reciprocal of 4 by 7, 7 by 4. So this is about my practice time 9. We need to write the reciprocals in the textbook itself. We write it off, these blanks. Next, division of fractions. One can come across division in 3 forms. First, we will discuss about whole number divided by y fraction. So see here, dividing a whole number by a fraction. Are you seeing this? We are dividing whole number by a fraction. So whole number is here 3. Just draw 3 boxes. This is 3. Okay. Now this 3 divided into 2 parts. Are you saying divided into 2 parts? So 3 divided into 2 parts. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it has 6 parts. So 3 divided by 1 by 2 means, so 3 by 1. 3 by 1. So whole number take 1 as the denominator. Whole number take 1 as the denominator. Into, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 by 1. Into 2 by 1. So answer is numerators. Multiply the numerators 3 into 2, 6. 6 by 1. Denominators 1 into 1. 6 by 1 means 6. So that is nothing but division by a fraction is multiplication with the reciprocal of the fraction. So division by a fraction means multiplication with the reciprocal of that fraction. So this is about dividing a whole number by a fraction. Let us see one more example. Divide 4 divided by 1 by 5. Are you seeing whole number 4? Just take 4 boxes like this. They said divided by 1 by 5. That means each part has been divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each part has been divided into 5 parts. Now it has total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means 4 divided into 5 parts. So there are 20 parts in all. So whole number take 1 as the denominator and reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. So multiply the numerators 4 into 5, 20. Multiply denominators 1 into 1, 1. 20 by 1, 20. Understood? So see here, whole number, take denominator as a 1. Take 1 as a denominator and this should be reciprocal is 5 by 1. So in this way we need to do the problems under whole number, dividing a whole number by a fraction. So let us solve by using the diagrams. Already 3 divided by 1 by 2 they have given an example. So shall we start with second problem, 4 divided by 1 by 3. Just draw the 4 boxes and 4 divided into 3 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3. Each box has been divided into 3 parts. Now totally how many parts? 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. So take whole number. For whole number, take 1 as the denominator, 4 by 1, and 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 1. So total 12 by 1 into 12. You can make it here. Reciprocal. Okay. For all problems, the same method follows like this. Next, divide the following, they said. First section using diagrams. So two diagrams I have explained in example problems. You need to make out all problems like that one. I have given in the notes. So let's check out. Next, divide the following. 4 divided by 1 by 4. Same. We need to take without diagram. They didn't ask using diagram. So directly we can do here. Whole number should be takes 1 as a denominator, 4 by 1. This is reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. So here also you write it as a reciprocal. This is the reciprocal of 1 by 4, 4 by 1. Now multiply numerators 4, 4, 16. Denominators 1 into 1, 1. 16 answer. Next 5 divided by 1 by 7. Same. Whole number takes 1 as a denominator. You should write down here. If you forget, I will write here whole numbers take 1 as the denominator. So 5 by 1 into 7 by 1, multiply the numerators. 35 by 1 denominator. So answer is 35. Understood? So like that you need to do all the problems. Okay children, thank you.